Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can use more than one font in your funnel. Alright, so let's go ahead and start it. The very first step is to actually add more than one font in your ClickFunnels software. If you don't know how to add a custom font, make sure you go ahead and see my other video where I talk about that, and then come back to this one. The second step is you want to have your codes. You want to have your import codes where you actually import and call those fonts to be used in this ClickFunnels software. All right. So the third step is to know what these things mean. All right. So essentially, this is calling a font that is located in this address, and the weight of the font is going to be bold. All right, this is the first thing, and this is the exact same thing. The second thing is the div. We are calling a div called, okay, with the data title headline. Okay, we are also calling a div with the data title button, and we are giving it the font family that we have here, Thin, Hard, Pen, Bold, right? Which is this one. Also, we are calling this, and to all the other elements that have different data titles, we are giving them a specific font as well, right? So after you learn this, you actually can change all the other fonts that you want to change, right? So the fourth step is to actually know what's the to import the second font. Okay, so copy a second font, go from the same way. This is Sign Hard, this is Visby. All right, so import the second font, and if you know right now through ClickFunnels software, through the paragraph, this one is called first, right, and then this one is called second. So what this is happening is that if we did not have these things adjusted, what it would happen is actually the font that is going to be shown here is the second one. It's this one, because the CSS editor gets rid from the first to the last line, and every line that this one here is basically overriding this one. Okay, really simple. Now that's the fourth step. The fifth step and last is we want to add this second font to specific elements. So in this case, I have this one and I have that one. So what I need to do is I need to go to the settings. I need to go to the get CSS info, and then I need to call it, for example, headline 2. Okay, you can call it anything you like, but for organization, you can go for headline 2 and you update it. Okay, you do the same thing for the paragraph 2, and you do the same thing for the button 2. Okay, and after you do this, you can go to the CSS again and then change the data title right here to 2, right? For example, if I want the second one to be Visby, I just mentioned for the headline and for the button 2, I want it to be Visby, and then for the paragraph, for the subheadline and all the other ones, I call it 2, and then they are going to be changed, just like this, just like you see right here. Okay, if you want it on the other option, just go ahead and call this one 2, and it's going to change, this one 2, and it's going to change, as you can see there in the background. All right, so these are the 5 steps that you need to follow in order for you to change. For example, if you want to change the priority here, right here, with this thing, you can go ahead and add a different background right here. And now this paragraph has a different background than that one, right? That's actually how you can change your fonts, how you can change your elements, all right? Now go ahead and make sure you practice. If for some reason you don't have these codes here, I have them in my cheat sheet, CSS cheat sheet that I have for all my students in that got my course. But I also have some free ones. So if you want the free one, make sure you send me a message and I'll send it those free ones. All right. So cheers.